Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country. Now I've got a real treat for you today. If you're looking for something very special, just that little bit unique, then this could well be the property for you. We're at Fairlinch House, Willoway Lane in Braunton, and believe it or not, this place used to be a former Southwest Water reservoir, and it's been converted to an exceptional standard into a 2-bedroom home in a magnificent location with wonderful views. Take a look now. Now, Fairlinch is just an amazing place for entertaining. Just imagine this connection here, indoors to outdoors, connecting perfectly to those wonderful, wonderful views. Now you'll notice the tiling inside the property is exactly the same as the tiling outside, and it creates that feeling of infinite space directly out towards the sea and the coastline. Now outside, the fabulous terrace is perfect for those who want to do outdoor dining, alfresco meals for example, barbecues, sunbathing, or just sitting, enjoying your surroundings and those magnificent sea and coastal views. Now, this property is impeccably designed and impeccably finished. It's absolutely wonderful inside. So not only do you have this fantastic living space with those fully retracting doors that open onto the huge sun terrace, we've got this magnificent kitchen as well. Now this is all very high-end, this kitchen. There's a range of built-in appliances through here, including these ovens, the hob, there's a built-in extractor, fridge, freezer, a boiler tap. You name it, this place has got it. This lovely integrated table area in Ireland is perfect for entertaining or family dining. This home is ideal for those that want low maintenance permanent living, or alternatively of course it would make a fantastic holiday home or holiday let. An income potential here has been projected as much as £50,000 to £60,000, and no wonder why with that magnificent vista. Now as we go through into the hallway here, there's a Cloakroom WC, and beyond there are 2 double-sized bedrooms, both with their own ensuite facilities. Now, as well as these high-quality fixtures and fittings, the property's also got lots of little gadgets as well. There's mood lighting throughout the property, not just in this room, but also in the 2 bedrooms, where you've got different coloured changing lighting all around the perimeter of the room, including this lovely lantern you see above me here. The property's got underfloor heating throughout, and that's controlled by an air source heat pump, so the green credentials here are very good as well. Now the property's got lots of practicalities as well. Behind me here there's 2 great big storerooms which are perfect for a variety of outdoor equipment, beach equipment, whatever it is you need. On my left here you've got areas perfect for the recycling bins, bikes maybe as well, because it's a great area for cycling, walking and all of those outdoor pursuits. Now one last really quirky feature that we've got here is this outdoor shower, and that is controlled by Wi-Fi, believe it or not, so it's great for cleaning down after a long walk or a hard day on the beach. Now Fairlinch House sits in an incredible location, not just because of this wonderful elevation and those magnificent views, but also its close proximity and convenience to everything, yet being tucked away and in a quiet location. Now the village of Braunton is just half a mile away. The world-class beaches, the Golden Sands at Saunton, Croyd and Willoway are just a short ride away as well, and it's a mecca for surfers and visitors throughout the year. Now the property is surrounded by open farmland as well, as you'll see here, and quite often you've got the cows and the sheep as your neighbours. Now we're back up at the top of the property now in the parking area, and as you've already seen, Fairlinch House is packed full of state-of-the-art features, not least these fabulous bespoke gates which disappear down below the driveway and give access onto this large parking area which provides off-road space for 3 or 4 cars. Now for those of you that have got electric vehicles, we've also got the electric car charging point as well. So there we are, that's Fairlinch House, Willoway Lane in Braunton, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this really is a special property, something rather unique and could be just what you're looking for. Now the property sits in this magnificent location, don't forget that, and of course the vista across the surrounding farmland towards the estuary and out over the rugged coastline is just a joy to behold, especially from this wonderful terrace that I'm stood on now. So I hope you've enjoyed our video viewing. The sun is now just setting and that calls time on this presentation. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.